Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x cube is equal to negative 8. Okay, taking this negative 8 to left side we will get x cube plus 8 is equal to 0, or x cube plus this 8 can be written as 2 cube is equal to 0. Or now we know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Now apply this formula. Here we can write x plus 2 times x square minus x times 2 is 2x plus 2 square, that means 4 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two cases, so we can write here x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x square minus twice x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here, taking this positive 2 to right side, we will get the value of x1 is equal to negative 2, and it is our first value. Now here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 2 and c is equal to positive 4, or x is equal to negative b, that means negative times b is equal to negative 2, so we can write here negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 4 all over 2 times a, that means 2 times 1, or x is equal to negative times negative is positive 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 square, that means 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 is negative 12 over 2, or x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of, now this negative 12 can be written as 4 times 3 times negative 1 over 2, or x is equal to 2 plus or minus, now we can write here square root of 4 times square root of 3 times square root of negative 1 all over 2, or x is equal to 2 plus or minus, we know that square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 3 and square root of negative 1 is I. Here I is an imaginary value all over 2, or x is equal to, now taking common 2 we will get 1 plus or minus square root of 3 I over 2. Here this 2 cancel out this 2, so there are two values of x, x2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 3i and x3 is equal to 1 minus square root of 3i. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.